Income potential and flexibility is the third reason why to get started with digital marketing in 2025. If you're new here, hey, I'm Cece, and I help moms make money online without the stress and the burnout. And I've been talking through 3 reasons why you should get started with digital marketing this year. So the income opportunities with digital marketing are really limitless. Whether you're creating your own product and selling it, or you are reselling someone else's, the sky is really the limit. And you can also do a mixture of both, which is something I do. I create my own products and I have master resale rights to other courses and things as well. So you can have multiple different income streams as you grow your business. And digital marketing really gives you the flexibility and the freedom, which is one of my favorite things about this industry. It allows you to be able to create your own schedule, work around your family, which is something that's important to me. And it can be done from anywhere where you have Wi-Fi and a cell phone or a laptop, so you can travel the world and still be able to work. It's perfect for busy mamas who are maybe balancing a family or balancing another job in a family, because it can be broken up and fit into the pockets of your time, and it can be done on a part-time basis. So you don't need 8 hours a day in order to do this business. You can just take a few hours a day and chunk it down and fit it in on your lunch break or during nap time in order to get your income earning activities done. Now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds like an amazing industry, but I don't know how to get started. So you have a couple of options. You can either create your own product to sell, in which case you could use a free tool like Canva, where you could make a free PDF or ebook and sell your knowledge that way. Or you could simply record videos like this one, trainings, and post them on YouTube unlisted, and then only have access to that for the people that purchase your course. Or if you don't want to create your own product or don't know what to create, you can get started with a program that gives you the master resale rights. It will teach you step by step how to get started in the industry. And then later down the line, if you want to create your own product as well, or you do other affiliate type products, it teaches you all of that as well. If you want more information about that opportunity, that is what I used in order to get started in this industry. Check out my link below and you can see if that is something that is of benefit to you. So just to recap these last 3 days, 3 important reasons why you should get started in digital marketing if this is something you're considering, and why you should do it this year. Reason number 1 is because it is a growing industry right now and there is a lot of demand for it. Reason number 2 is it is a low cost entry point and it's beginner friendly. And reason number 3, you've got time and location freedom, so it really can fit into whatever your current life looks like if this needs to be a side hustle for you. So if you've been considering digital marketing, 2025 is the year to get started. Don't let your fears hold you back. If you're interested, I have a free community for laptop lifestyle mamas where I share behind the scenes information on digital marketing tips, motivation to keep you going, as well as life hacks, how to balance taking care of kids while building a business. So check out the link below and get those details. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.